Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Last War game crash. The first thing you can do is to head to your Google Play Store and check if there's any update on the game itself to avoid crashes. If there's any, go ahead and tap the update button. You can restart your phone to fix some glitches and bugs on the game itself and relaunch the game after you've done that. Third, check if you have a stable internet connection, because for these games, it is necessary for you to have one. Fourth, you can go to your settings, then look for the apps section. From this part, go to the See All Apps. Scroll down, or you can either search for the application you're looking for. Scroll down until you find the application. Tap on the Last War. Go to the storage and cache section, and then clear the cache and clear the storage.